Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to unsubscribe from all email notifications in the Kayak app on your Android phone. If your inbox is overflowing with travel alerts, deals, or newsletters, this quick tutorial will help you turn off those emails for good. First, open the Kayak app on your Android phone. Next, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. After that, scroll down a bit and tap on Notifications from the Settings menu. Inside the Notifications section, tap on Email. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. You'll see an option called Unsubscribe All. Tap that to instantly stop receiving all email communications from Kayak. And that's it. You've now successfully unsubscribed from all emails in the Kayak app. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more videos for simple app tutorials and tech tips.